All right, I want to tell you how you can get your first $50,000 in business credit cards. So the first thing that you got to do, and a lot of people try to skip this step, is you need to have good personal credit. I cannot keep telling y'all this enough. You cannot skip building your personal profile. You can come to me with a 700 credit score and a bankruptcy, you will get denied. You need to have clean credit. No negatives, no late payments, no charge-offs, no collections, no bankruptcies, no judgments. Nothing like that needs to be on your personal credit profile. Good news is that all of that stuff can be erased. Now, January 15th, we're not taking no more personal credit repair clients unless you're looking to do funding. Unless you're a referral from somebody else, one of our partners. Other than that, we're not taking no more credit repair clients. You have to find somebody else or learn how to do it yourself. But you have to get your personal credit clean first. No late payments, no charge-offs, no negatives, no more than 4 inquiries in the last 6 months. Whoa, don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. And then you also want to make sure you have at least a 680 personal credit score. If you got that, you should be able to get you some business credit cards.